fellow humans. I'm not in America right now, I'm at home. I wanted to jump on here and just say thank you for watching these guys, if you're watching, and also we're in the animal kingdom. Because I'd not banked on doing a day per vlog, I haven't said hello fellow humans, and it really annoys me when I haven't said it. So I'm here now, I'm saying it. I haven't seen you for a little while. I'm doing okay. As you can see, I've just washed my hair and not done anything with it. I need to style it yet. But as you can see, there's no extensions. They fell out just before Christmas. Yeah, just before Christmas. And I've not put them back in. I've just left it. So it's got a little bit longer actually anyway. It's to my shoulder. And we're having very cold weather here at the moment. So it's nice to be watching these vlogs of nice sunny Orlando. This is my current view of the winter wonderland. No makeup either on today. You always get me at my best. Now this video we do jump into Animal Kingdom and then me and Paul go on a date night, and it is, spoiler alert, one of the best date nights we have ever had. It is so fun. We have a great time. So thank you for joining us and stay tuned for that. And I'll probably jump in again in the middle between Animal Kingdom and the date night. See you then.
Animal Kingdom today. Not too busy. Looking all right. Not too warm either. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Look, we're at Animal Kingdom today. The Tree of Life. I have the Tree of Life mug on my desk at work. So every day I feel like a little bit of Animal Kingdom.
Yet is not your favourite?
It's not my favourite part, but I do love Dinosaur the Ride, which is soon to be closed, and Everest.
Yeah.
And obviously Flight of Passage. Everybody likes that one, don't they?
This is the queues. We've come in just after 8 o'clock,
Yeah.
which is normal opening time.
Yeah, we did open at 7:30 AM, but we wanted a bit of a sleep in today. We got up at 6:20, so yeah, it's early enough today. Now we're getting on to American time.
So it's Seb's first time on Expedition Everest. It's just open, so it's a 10-minute wait. So we're going to go around. It's just 10 minutes. We're going to go through the main queue. Amazing queuing areas all the way through. The Disney detail. All these different cabinets that you can look at things as you're walking around and read about it.
About the Legend of the Yeti.
I found the Yeti. Haha. Just walking into Pandora. Now you can hear the music changing and the trees come over the top of you. This does something. Larry, just put your hand on that. On that. There you go. Leave it. Little things like that don't wait for it park up. On every park there's little things you can just go and do and touch and interact with. The Disney details. So we're just coming on to Navi River Journey. It's a 5-minute wait first on your morning. Hello, bud.
I am noticing there are quite a few knock-over trees in the area. That is usually a good sign. There might be some elephants nearby. Having more than enough energy throughout the day, they can usually consume between 300 to 400 pounds of food daily, which is accompanied with them drinking around 35 gallons of water. So I like to say they are very healthy animals. Now up ahead we have found the greater flamingos. The greater flamingos will be the largest of the flamingos, but also the lightest pink. They'll all achieve that pink coloring from their diet, which mostly consists of brine shrimp. So when they're first born, they look like little gray fuzzballs. It's going to take them about 18 to 36 months to get that full pink coloring we're seeing in all the adults. And a fun fact, a group of these flamingos will be called a flamboyance.
Oh my gosh, I'm back again. So that's the footage of Animal Kingdom. We are going into date night. We ate at Teppan. We also saw the band Hayfire. Hayfire! I'm not aware of this band, but they were a country band and they were playing at Eat to the Beat at Epcot that night. And there are a lot of ramblings, mostly from myself. We do have a couple of drinks, probably more than 2 to be honest, in this vlog. So I do apologise in advance. By the end of the night, my hair looks worse than it does right now, and that is saying something. So if you want to stay to the end for the ramblings and the bad hair day, I will see you at the end.
Hello, Wednesday night, date night. Where are we off? Epcot now. Just got picked up on the friendship boat. We've just made it in time, perfect time, and it was leaving as we came on. So we're now heading over towards Yacht Beach Club, and then we'll be getting dropped off at Epcot Contentions, and then straight into World Showcase. We're going to head to Germany, get something to drink, and then just work our way around to Japan.
Yeah, that's where we're going for to Teppan.
Liquor was the only love I know.
So after the event, the band have come out and there's a massive group of people getting the picture taken together. You've enjoyed this, haven't you?
Yeah, it's been really good. I love live music. It's been really good, yeah. Really good high standard as well. I can't believe how good it is. And then the band come out afterwards. I know in England we don't know who they are, but you can still appreciate that it's good music.
It's good music, yeah.
So it's the Halloween Sake Swamp.
It's the most colourful drink on the earth.
And it says it changes as you mix it.
Come on, get it
I'm gonna go
mixed.
for some water first.
Oh yeah. I've just gone for a beer. Mickey. Minnie. Sushi as well.
This looks like a bit of a wonky volcano to me.
Yeah.
And I think I wanna put carrot on top. And then one more onion. Please.
By the way, never watched that.
Thank you.
Got a chicken over here, a steak, everyone's having medium, and the shrimp, which Amy's having. I'm having chicken and steak. Ready? There it goes.
Lava.
It is lava in the middle.
Bill Bernhardt on the vocals and the bass guitar. My name's Brooks and this here's Takara. I'll make a little noise for the staff here at Epcot. They did such a great job. They treated us like total gold. We appreciate it. You guys made me sound so good. Everybody says so, and it's just been amazing, amazing night. So we want to do one more for you, and it's a little bit off the beaten path, but I hope you guys can sing along. I think everybody knows this one, no matter what country you're from, right? Here we go.
Paul got a La Vida something. It's still got the same top, so it's like a chili jalapeno salt top. Not that great. And I like a classic margarita, so a classic. It said top shelf or hard shelf or something. I'm pretty good at making a margarita. So I only started drinking them last December. Since then, I've made many at home. So I'm gonna give this one a go. It's really good.
Oh, it's good. So
It's
I can get that.
$40.
$40 at $19, and it was a classic at $18. $18.50.
It's a lot, but it was worth it because it's delicious.
And now we have to go and get the important item.
So Larry has sent us out on a mission, even though he's not here, he's having room service, to get some maple syrup popcorn from Canada.
So off we go.
What we're going to do.
So this is just coming out to Canada into the UK, just 10 minutes before the fireworks. So there is a bit of room around the China side. Seems to be a bit quieter really. So I'd say but it'll take you longer to get out then. So I think that's why there's more people on this side. The rose and crown in the
It looks beautiful.
Epcot. Too perfect.
Yeah, so we were saying it's beautiful, it looks just right, and you really want to go in. But if you go in that pub, obviously where we come from, it's exactly the same, it looks like that, but it'd just be a bit more chipped paintwork and stuff.
And you'd stick to the floor a bit, sticky carpet.
Yeah, some of them, but not all of them.
No.
Do Americans want to go in there, or is it just us because we're used to that and it's like something from home?
And that we're used to. Yeah, possibly. Now, you have a top hat and a moustache. Some people call you the Monopoly Man, and you can get these boats to watch the fireworks. So they're located just under the bridge between France and the UK. Know that you've got to book them quite a few weeks in advance. So if you want to do it, just do it before you come on holiday. I think you probably fit about 8 in them looking at them. So if there was 2 families you could share. Would you do it, or would you rather just watch at the side?
I'd rather watch at the side, I think.
I think I would as well.
If it's free, I would certainly do it, yeah.
2 minutes off fireworks going up now, so everyone's on the bridge ready to watch it. Harmonious, I know it's called.
We've not seen them firsthand, so we just saw a few fireworks there, but we didn't watch the show. We have watched them at View. They were pretty good, but what we have seen on vlogs have said maybe they're not quite as good as what was the world one?
That was always very good, that one.
Yeah, the
That had
one
been
with
going
the
for
world
years, though,
opening.
hasn't it?
I don't think Epcot have ever found the same show as that because everyone liked that because it was nostalgic.
But they're back off again.
They're back off now.
Please excuse me. Stop eating Laurie's popcorn. Caught red-handed.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm not bothered. Epcot, the thing is, I think people judge it a little bit, and myself included, that it's not happily ever after, is it, in the Magic Kingdom?
No.
Happily ever after is the best favourite show you're ever going to see ever. It's just an amazing show. So, Epcot is fantastic. And the fireworks show, but you can't quite be that. So
It'll never be happily ever
if you're
after.
gonna watch a fireworks show,
Would you sit there in the rain for 2 hours waiting for Epcot? Would you do it for happily ever after? We have done.
yeah, we have to.
That were a really good show because there were only about 2,000 people left by the time we finished.
We got really to the front.
Yeah, we got right to the
There were
front.
no one there.
I think this is the end looking at this. Setting off the boat now. Enjoyed it? Very good. Day night. Best day night ever. The Yacht and Beach Club. And then in the background then you'll see that's a dolphin, the swan's just on the opposite side. And where we're staying at the Swan Reserve just behind it. So you can see how close we are. We've literally been a minute on the boat. And then you go past the Yacht and Beach Club. They're going to do a drop off now at the boardwalk. Then they'll do a drop off at the Yacht and Beach Club. Then they're over to Swan and Dolphin. I'm taking you home now. Taking you home.
I know it. When we came, 5 years ago, kids were little. They did a show with Moana. Moana had just come out. And they do a light show and they play
The Swan and Dolphin.
It calls me. No one knows that one. Can't do it, but you know what song I mean. They were just doing it then.
Yeah.
This has been like
We've
6 years.
You've purchased a hoodie.
Oh, I've purchased more than a hoodie. Got a water bottle as well.
And with that shocking revelation of the water bottle purchase, the vlog was never finished off and we just went back and got to the boys, checked on them and went to bed. I'm so sorry for all the boat noise. The noise of the boat, it was annoying me, I do have to say, when I was editing it. I do apologise. I can't take that noise out without taking our voices off. I know we weren't talking about very much. Those fireworks were absolutely amazing. When I was saying that about Harmonious, please don't think in any way that I don't think it's absolutely amazing and we're so privileged to see it, because it's still a fantastic show. Yeah, just absolutely adore it. Happily Ever After as well. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.